Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, there was a young girl named Amara who lived on a small planet named Zorg. Amara was curious and imaginative, and loved to spend her days daydreaming about the vast universe beyond her planet. She would spend hours gazing up at the stars, imagining herself traveling through space and discovering new worlds. One day, while browsing through the local library, Amara stumbled upon a book called Black Girls in Outer Space. The book was filled with stunning fantasy portraits of black girls exploring the vast reaches of the universe. Amara was entranced by the images, and was immediately transported to a world of limitless possibilities. Over the next few days, Amara read the book cover to cover, learning about the brave and adventurous black girls who boldly traveled through space and discovered new and wondrous things. She dreamed of one day joining their ranks and becoming a space explorer herself. Determined to turn her dreams into reality, Amara saved up every credit she could and purchased a used spacecraft. She spent countless hours studying maps and charts, and practicing her piloting skills. Finally, the day arrived when she was ready to embark on her own outer space adventure. With her spacecraft fueled and her heart filled with excitement, Amara set out into the unknown. She traveled through countless galaxies, encountering strange and wondrous creatures along the way. She explored remote planets and discovered ancient civilizations, all the while learning about herself and her place in the universe. Years passed, and Amara's name became known throughout the galaxy as a fearless explorer and adventurer. Her experiences and discoveries were recorded in a new book, called The Adventures of Amara, a Black Girl in Outer Space. The book became a bestseller, inspiring a new generation of young black girls to reach for the stars and follow their dreams. And so, Amara's journey continues, as she explores the vast reaches of the universe and discovers new wonders at every turn. She remains a shining example of courage, determination, and imagination, and her story will continue to inspire young girls for generations to come.